afternoon, Indira Shah here. Today I'll show you a very interesting and very tasty and very good recipe, that is moong dal halwa. See, this is moong dal, green gram dal, hesru bele in Kannada, okay, pacha paruppu in Tamil. So you need, you take the required quantity, either 1 cup or 2 cup, whatever you need. But when you start, if you are a beginner, take always less quantity, okay. So this you have to wash and pressure cook for 3 whistles. Here I have pressure cooked this for 3 whistles. Do not add salt or turmeric, anything. Then you need equal quantity of sugar, okay. So this is around 200 grams, and here I have taken 250 grams of kova, okay, mawa they say in Gujarati. This is sweetless kova. Then you need badam. Badam you can soak for about 4-5 hours in fresh water, then peel the skin and then cut them into slices. Then you need saffron strands, okay. So now what you should do is, first, and then you need ghee. This is the fresh made ghee. I always buy the butter and make ghee. I never buy ready made ghee. So I have put on this stove. Now what you should do is, you have to fry this kova. You need not add ghee, okay. Always buy fresh kova. When you buy, look for the date of manufacture. This is a very rich sweet. Trust me, this will taste very, very good. You have to try this, and this is very good for health. The moong dal, when you cook, you need not fry, okay? Just wash the moong dal and then pressure cook it for 3 whistles. This kova we have to fry. You can take equal also, you know, whatever sugar or the dal you have taken, take equal quantity of kova. Always buy fresh kova, and from a reputed brand. I always buy Nandini. Here, this is what I buy. In Karnataka you get Nandini. This is the best. You fry them till brown. The kova has been fried. I'll put off the stove. I'll come back to you. Now I'll add the dal, the cooked dal. Okay. Then add about 100 grams of ghee. Now you have to fry the dal till pink. You know, the raw smell should go. You have to keep frying it. Okay, I'll add some more ghee. Keep frying it. So I'll come back to you. See, the sides are becoming brown. It's okay. You need not worry. Now I'll add few strands of kesar, that is saffron. Okay. Saffron gives a good color and taste. This is the original saffron. You have to stop stirring till you know, the oil gets, the ghee gets separated from the dal, okay. So till then you have to keep frying. Here, this is almost 25 minutes of stirring, okay. See, the ghee is getting separated. Now add the sugar, the required sugar, okay. Now keep stirring. This is one thing, you know, that you have to continuously stir. Now let me add the mawa or kova, okay? And mix it thoroughly, thorough mixing. Whenever I prepare, you know, it takes around 45 minutes to 1 hour, and continuous stirring. Certainly, you know, your hand will start aching. But then, since cooking is my passion, I don't feel the pain. Here, the halwa is leaving the pan. So after few seconds, let's put off the stove, okay? The flame. See, it's leaving the pan. Trust me, this moong dal halwa is my signature dish. Everyone loves this. Whoever comes, they first ask me to prepare this. But then this is time consuming. Takes more than an hour. Okay, now I'll put off the stove. I'll just put it in a container and show you. The moong dal halwa is ready. Trust me, this is going to be a very rich in taste. Everyone will love it. It may take time, but then it tastes awesome. So you have to prepare this. This is my signature dish. Please follow my recipe properly and prepare and give me back your sincere feedback. So thank you very much for watching my YouTube channel in the name of Indira Shah. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and share the like button and press the like button and share my recipe with your friends and relatives. Please request them to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. This is Indira with Vela.